In this video, I want to show you how you can take advantage of a new feature that is on the Binance platform called Binance Copy Trading. Let's get those credits rolling. The first thing that you need to do is you need a verified Binance account. You get this by clicking on the first link in the description below so that you can be able to sign up onto Binance, then verify your Binance account using your national ID, a passport, or a driver's license. Then you can be able to get to the next step. When you sign up on the Binance platform, you will see a link that looks like this, which is on Binance Lite. So you need to click here at the bottom where it says Binance Pro so that you can get to the main Binance site. Once you have done this, you will go under Wallet at the bottom right and click on Wallets. Then at the very top, click on Funding. When you click on Funding, you'll be able to now fund your account on P2P. Click on P2P, and I want us to be able to get some USDT and put onto the platform. You need about about $10 to get started here. So I'll put in USDT, put in 1,000, but you can put even more. And then once you have bought this, I use either M-Pesa or M-Pesa Pay Bill to be able to do this transaction. Then I transfer this amount to my spot wallet. Once it is transferred, you can actually see it has been transferred onto the spot wallet. The next thing that I need to do is to do this copy trade. So at the middle here, I click on trade. Once I click on trade, at the top, you will see convert, spot, bots, and then you'll click on copy. When you click on copy, you'll be able to see there's either futures or spot. You can be, if you're an elite trader, you can actually place in your trades for people to copy you. But for us who are beginners, we will actually check who is on the platform whose trades we can copy. And here you'll be able to see that it starts with 7 days P&L and ROI, but I'll change it to 30 days so that you can be able to see a longer amount of time. I prefer this because it gives you a better representation of how good this particular trader is. And you can see this very first one who is on this platform. And here, I actually, if I don't want to get started on trading, I can place in a mock trade. And here is the explanation for mock copy trading. You will not be using real world assets. You are just doing a test run of if this actually works. And you can decide to convert a mock trade into a real trade, but we are not doing that right now. So I'll go back, and now under P&L, I'll be able to see who is the top person. And this is the first person. You can see their P&L and their ROI as well. And when you click to copy them, it actually gives you a statement of what exactly will you do. So I want to place in $30 in total, and I need to have at least in batches of $10. So when they do a trade, I will be doing that similar trade as well. For this particular trader, they are doing trades on Pepe and Doge and Floki. So this is someone who is doing majorly meme coins. But if I want to set my own, I can be able to follow who I want. So I want to do a BTC USDT one. And if that person who I am copying is not doing those trades, my trade will not be executed. But if they do a trade for the pairs that I have set, then I will do that similar trade as well. And at the end of the day, I will need to share my profit with them because they are doing the analysis. When they do the analysis, I copy that as well, and I can be able to gain a profit as well. So for this person, it is 10% profit. So if I make a profit, 10% goes to them. This is a good way if you are an elite trader to make some extra money, and if you're a beginner to actually follow what other people are doing and make money as well. And that is a simple way on how you can be able to make use of Binance copy trading on spot so that you can start doing trades on the platform. If you're looking for other ways to make money on the Binance platform, I did a video on how you can make money using P2P, and that's what's showing up here. See you in the next one.